Hi everyone, in this video, we will introduce our food wrapping product. You can customize the food wrapping with your brand logo or design, which is a great way to promote your business while making your food packaging look more attractive and professional. Now let's take a look at the material specifications. This wrapping paper uses 50 grams per square meter Barripack Greaseproof paper, which helps prevent oil or grease from soaking through the paper. The material finish is bleached food-grade greaseproof paper, making it safe and suitable for direct food contact. The base paper is also certified for food contact, so it's safe to use for various food packaging needs. If you're interested in making your own custom food wrapping paper, feel free to contact us for more information.